This is the most ghetto thing I ever made. I needed a counter, and kind of in a hurry, and I didn't want to saw legs. I took this folding table. I have a bunch of these little folding tables that I actually got a set of 4 with a stand for like $6 total from a thrift store a long time ago, years and years ago. So what I did was I took what was the top of a set of shelves that whoever owned this house before me, see, I had to demolish it, put it over top and in front of the radiator that you need to heat the house. And you cannot do that. I mean, it had like these, what do you call those? Window shutters that you could like open and close in front of it, but it was losing a lot of, I wasn't about to keep it there. It was ugly and losing heat. So, give me a second. So, as you can see, you can set it up like you normally do, folding table. And I wasn't going to keep it like with this old crap piece of wood on top. So, see, because like that's really beat up. So what I did was I took a nice piece of plywood, nice piece of fresh plywood that I had in the basement, and didn't have time to paint it or anything, so I covered it with this shelf stuff, and couldn't find a staple gun or anything. I ended up duct taping it. So sorry, I'm no good at video. So there we go. Most ghetto thing I ever made. A folding table counter in the kitchen.